I
usual.
can't see, sir.
As usual.
Where is our hostess?
As handsome as ever, sir.
Sangeeta?
संगीता will come. आ गया मैडम, संगीता मैडम आ गया.
Sangeeta,
Ajit.
हाय हाय.
कैसा है भाई?
बस फाइन फाइन.
तेरे पीछे कौन सा रिवर है? नर्मदा है कि कौन सा है?
नहीं नहीं.
तो रिवर थेम्स. नाइल. नाइल नहीं.
थेम्स.
जो दो थेम्स है.
नहीं नहीं नहीं. इट्स सम आई डोंट नो व्हिच.
तेरे को जो दो चार नाम आता था बोल दिया ने.
हाँ.
कौन बनेगा करोड़पति में मैं बाहर जाएगा.
7-8 people are there.
Has Sarita come?
सरिता मैडम.
Hello, good evening.
सरिता मैडम अनम्यूट करो.
Good evening.
Hi, Sarita, unmute yourself.
I'm saying hi, Dr. Dastur, Bhaktava.
Hi, Bhaktava, where are you? I can't see you.
So I'm there.
Hi,
Hi.
how are you?
Fine, fine, sir.
See this?
Today is Soli's birthday also. It's a double celebration. Oh, wow. Your tie
Whose
is
birthday?
nice. Soli's, my husband.
अच्छा कितना 45th.
Oh, yeah, 45th. He says he's 21.
I'm just going.
Hi, Amit.
Hello, sir. How are you?
Good.
Hi Amit, how are you?
So all set, everybody to enjoy.
अजय ना थे ने ख्यालता काढी ने राखी
to enjoy. We are hooked to this program.
काही जरूरत नाही.
Where's Amit?
अरे
I'm there.
हम देखा तो ही
Amit, take a nice close-up of my tie. Amit,
Right, sir.
Nice tie, sir.
Elvis Presley.
Oh, yeah.
Wow.
Can you see Amit?
Yes, sir. I'm taking a screenshot.
Nice,
Just put
nice.
it the same way.
Fantastic, fantastic.
Fantastic, sir.
Done, done,
Good.
done, done.
Is it glitzy?
Yes, yes, clear.
Amit,
Yeah.
picture आ गया?
आ गया सर. मैंने गायनी ग्रुप में डाल दिया अपने फोटो.
Elvis Presley tried, sir.
Adi, how about the Elvis, the pelvis? What about your pelvis?
My pelvis is as nimble as my Elvis. Both are
Hello.
equally nimble.
Yeah.
Hello, good evening, Sangeeta.
Sangeeta, where is she?
Sangeeta,
She's
Sarita.
there. She's there.
There she is.
Where's Sangeeta?
Hi,
Yes,
Sangeeta.
yeah. Hi, Sangeeta. Can you see me?
I can't see Sangeeta. Hi, Sangeeta.
Hello, sir. So actually, let us welcome Dr. Usha Krishna. She has joined
Oh.
the second time, and she was not joining up till now because she used to have some trouble in entering the program. But now finally she has managed. So, madam, we are very, very happy to have you here.
I've muted this.
Madam, are you there?
Madam will have to unmute
She's
herself.
still connecting. She's still connecting. Some internet issues. With
No,
her
no,
device.
she connected. She told me she can see Dr. Dastur and so many people.
But for us to hear her voice and video, it will take a little time.
Okay, she probably doesn't know how to put on the audio video. So never mind, but she can hear us.
Yes, yes, yes.
Yeah.
Who's that? Sangeeta, who's that baby?
Just
Which
delivered. Just delivered there.
Aspi sir, this is the first time I've seen you in color.
So who is that?
Yes.
अरे वेरी गुड वेरी गुड. संगीता मैडम ने बोला तो पहनना पड़ता है ना कुछ.
देखो
Sangeeta,
हमारा
see my
program
tie.
है.
Sangeeta.
Oh, how sweet.
Even Milo is saying hello.
Hello, Bachu. Who's baby?
He's come to see Aspi sir in yellow.
How sweet. What is her name? Her or he?
His
Son
name
or a
is Milo.
daughter?
His name is Milo.
Milo. Okay. Milo, come on. Come up. Let me
Milo,
see
say hello.
you.
Say hello.
Hi,
nice.
Milo. I love you all. Huh? Milo?
इधर इधर इंडिया में जैसा बोनवीटा है ऐसा नाइजीरिया में माइलो आता है. माइलो पाउडर बोनवीटा जैसा. That's a
Milo
very
powder
famous.
Sila go Milo.
African country it is very famous. Milo.
See, Dr.
Trust
Usha
me, you
Krishna
know how
has
we are.
managed to put on her video. So, madam, now if you just hold the iPad right in front of your face, we will be able to see you.
संगीता मैडम आप एकदम जबरदस्त चमक रहे हो आज, पॉलिश बहुत पॉलिश किया है।
Sangeeta, you're glittering.
Hi everybody.
Hello sir.
Hi.
Hi.
बिपिन का आवाज लग रहा है।
बिपिन
Hi,
का आवाज है।
Bipin.
हाँ,
बिपिन।
बिपिन का आवाज इतना फेमस है कि मोदी जैसा, मोदी और शाह जैसा, इमीडिएट पता चलता है।
मित्रों।
I request everybody
Hi, hi,
to put on their
Vipin.
videos.
Hi,
Mera-
Sarita.
I request everybody to put on their videos. Let us say hi, hello to everybody.
Hi everyone.
Hi.
Hi everyone.
Hi Danny. How are you, Danny?
Hi, fine.
See, I love Kavita's dress. She's so blitzy.
किधर है?
Where is
And look at
Kavita?
Sarita. She's looking so glamorous.
किधर है?
Not
कुछ
to
दिखता ही
mention
नहीं है, where is
Devika,
she?
you are always hot. Devika, I have never ever seen you when you don't look hot.
I'm on the
I'm so
webinar,
jealous
beta.
of you.
I'm on the webinar. 1 minute, I'll give it to Daddy. I'll give it to Daddy.
And Dr. Vandana
I'm at
Vaidekar,
home on a webinar.
I
sitting.
can't believe it.
I'm on the webinar, beta. 1 minute. Daddy, na, beta. Sorry, Daddy. Hello.
Hi.
अरे सतीश तेरा अनम्यूट कर। हाय सतीश कैसा है? या नीना मैडम कैसे हो? अनम्यूट करो, अनम्यूट करो।
Now.
हाँ अभी बैकग्राउंड में कुछ म्यूजिक आ रहा है, सुनाई दे रहा है।
हाँ वो फ्री में है, फ्री में।
सतीश ने भी अच्छा शर्ट पहना हुआ है, नाइस शर्ट।
किसने?
हाँ
सतीश ने।
Wow, look at Prema. Look at the fantastic Christmas tree behind her. Wow, Prema. Happy Christmas. Merry Christmas.
I said I must make up for the last time, na?
Huh?
I must make up for it, na? Properly, वो तुम्हें बराबर सिनेरियो नहीं, सीन नहीं जमाया है तो मैंने कहा सीन जमा के
क्या बात है प्रेमा।
And
With a Christmas tree shining behind her.
Yes, I always put up one.
Somebody has logged in with two devices. Voice is echoing. Hi Amit. Hello sir, how are you? Good, how are you? I'm good sir.
कवल मैडम किधर है? क्या नहीं है?
Doing a good job, huh?
अरे अच्छा वो आप हो, मेरे को लगा आपकी डॉटर बैठी है।
Good one.
Good one.
What was that? I didn't hear that. What was that, sir?
नहीं, I thought कि वो कमल मैडम की डॉटर बैठी है।
आवाज इको हो रहा है।
Thank you.
आवाज इको हो रहा है, इको।
Hi Sudeshna.
हाय प्रेमा मैडम।
Hi.
आवाज म्यूट है प्रेमा
Hi,
मैडम।
आवाज।
Somebody has logged in with echoing devices.
Sudeshna's voice was echoing.
किधर है सुदेश?
हाँ नहीं सबका इको हो रहा है वॉइस।
Somebody has logged in through
तेरा भी
two
वॉइस इको हो
devices.
रहा है।
Hello everyone.
Hi, everyone.
Hello.
Hello, everyone.
Hi Sharad.
Hello Sharad.
Hi, Satish. So nice to see you, Satish. You're looking very, very handsome. As usual. You're always. You have the mark figure.
Elvis look today. Just see my hair.
अरे नहीं यार, Satish, you're same.
Amit,
You're same.
who is other Sangeeta? I thought there is one and only one Dr. Sangeeta.
अरे यार, Hi, Sangeeta.
ये कौन है?
Dr. Sangeeta. Hi, Dr. Sangeeta.
Hi.
Sharad. Vandana ma'am, you are logged in
Who
through
is
two
that?
devices, na?
I have logged in, but I don't know. I can't get the thing.
Dr. Amit. Dr. Amit. Dr. Amit.
Yes, ma'am.
Dr. Bhaktu.
This is other
Yeah,
Sangeeta.
I'm
He is
there.
also co-host.
Sharad.
Wish Soli happy birthday from my side.
Okay. Already
Ma'am, I
I
did not
wish.
get you.
Love you, love you.
I saw your message.
Where is
Thanks
Dr.
a lot.
Pooja?
Hey Sudeshna, hi.
Right thing.
Hi.
Hi Sudeshna.
Hello.
Hi, Sudeshna.
Hi, Sangeeta.
Go.
Hi, everyone.
Hi.
Hi, everyone. Darshana.
Darshana.
Hi, everyone.
Hi, Shiraz.
Hi, Siraj.
Vera, Nandita and Sarita.
Sarita, I have seen.
Sarita is here.
Yes, I'm here.
She's online.
Hello. Good evening, everyone.
Hello,
Here
Sarita.
she is.
Sandeep bhai, hi.
अमित उषा कृष्ण मैडम का फोन आपने कैमरा बराबर एडजस्ट नहीं है उसका
अरे
पंखा ही
एसपी
दिख रहा है।
दिखता नहीं है।
मैडम का पंखा ही दिख रहा है।
एसपी कैब ક્યાંથી લીધી?
हाँ जी
हेड ક્યાંથી લીધી? हेड
हेड तो આ પેલા કંપની વાળા આપે છે હું ક્યાં ખરીદવા જવાનો?
अच्छा મારે માટે મને એક લઈ લેજે.
Hi, Madhuri.
वो किधर गया?
Hi. Where is Nandita and where is Sarita?
Sarita was here.
Hello madam, Dr. Valvekar, Vandana Valvekar. Hi madam. Hi. How are you? Hello Dr. Valvekar. I need to talk to you. I'm going to phone you. Hello Dr. Vandana. Hi there. Hello. Hi Saroj.
My God.
Hello.
Hi.
चलो संगीता मैडम
Oh
चालू
dear, we
करो।
started.
Hi, Dr. Virkud.
Hello, hi.
Hi.
Hello.
Yeah.
Hello.
Oh my God, Dr. Virkud, where are you today?
I'm here.
No, where are you? Background क्या है?
New Zealand. He's in New Zealand.
No. Instead,
Maldives.
I'm just going to
Hey
bed.
Ajit, hi.
Hi, Satish.
Hi.
Hello.
Everybody.
Hello, madam.
Your background.
Hi.
अजीत मेरा हेयर स्टाइल बहुत अच्छा है।
Dr.
You look
Virkud,
like you're in Italy. Yeah?
Dr. Virkud, आज आपका नाम का तो थोड़ा ज्यादा ही हो गया।
Yeah, क्या खड़ा हो गया?
Auto
Oh,
type.
nice
Hey, वाह,
view.
क्या बात है।
You're talking of that
San
Southie thing.
Francisco. You're flying
अजीत
very
मेरा हेयर स्टाइल
fast
बहुत
from
अच्छा है।
Italy to
सपना
San
सेट है।
Francisco.
I said, who's this Dr.
Golden Gate.
Yeah, but you know why, Sangeeta, Sudeshna, why it happened? A and S are very close to each other.
हाँ.
Okay, so he typed S instead of A. And J के बाजू में H है, तो it became SHIT. Everybody won't understand this joke. Only those who are in the Southie group will
Yeah, I'm
understand.
wondering also what it is here.
Are in the Satish, in the Southie group, we were talking and suddenly I made some comment and Penkar said that Ajit's comment is very good, but instead of typing AJIT, he pressed the button next to it, so it became SHIT.
Oh my God!
So it became Shit's comments are very good. I corrected it. It was an
I
auto
love
correct.
Dr. Shit's comments are very apt. I said, Dr. Shit, who is this Dr. Shit?
अजीत
हाँ,
वो बोलता
बोलो।
है ना कि अजीत वो ऐसा बोलता है ना कि बहरा हमेशा दो दफे हंसता है।
हाँ।
एक दफे सब हंसता है तभी है ना, दूसरे दफे उसको पता चलता है तो वापस हंसता है।
हाँ।
तो बहरा आदमी हमेशा दो दफे हंसता है।
Correct.
हेलो संगीता
Aspi,
मैडम
I love your hat. Aspi, I love your hat.
अरे वाह,
Aspi, your hat
भाड़े
is
पे
very
लेके आया हूँ, भाड़े पे
Great
लेके
hat.
आया हूँ, छोटू ड्रेस वाला।
Just take it off once and wave it here to everyone. Wave your hat to everyone.
Mexican.
हेलो सरोज मैडम, कैसे हो?
Hello, fine. एकदम fine.
Hello friends, I think we should, are we ready to start?
Fine.
Yes,
Yes, very good.
Yes.
Let's start at the very
Very
beginning.
Amit, सबको mute.
Yes, ma'am. Done. Ma'am, in the process आपको भी unmute करना है. डॉक्टर सरिता भालेराव मैम, आप भी unmute कर लीजिए अपने आप को. हाँ, done.
Okay. Am I audible?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, great. Respected seniors, colleagues and friends, a very cool welcome to this appreciation and celebration night. Many of you have been in this group from the start and many have joined a little later. So let me give you a little background. We started this Wednesday once in a month meeting in 2013. And I would like to believe that we have had good sessions and all those who have been coming have enjoyed, or else I think the program would have had its natural death. This program is running since 2013 on an auto mode. But in the pandemic, it came to a standstill. We were all trying to find our balance with these unprecedented times. I was genuinely enjoying the lockdown. But from the month of May, Sarita on every phone call would tell me, please start your Gynac group meetings. And a whole lot of webinars were happening at that time. And I told her, oh God, we surely don't need one more Gynac topic meetings. I then decided that we should have some entertainment. I was busy with things that I am very passionate about. And I thought that I should get all our people also to talk about non-gynac subjects, something that is interesting and something that they are passionate about. So came the idea of the out-of-box meetings. I must mention, I then approached Mr. Rajiv Agrawal, and in the first phone call, within the first 5 minutes, he agreed to host these meetings. As soon as I approached the group, I am so grateful to Dr. Danny. He promptly agreed to be the first speaker, and that set the ball rolling. These out-of-the-box meetings gave us the opportunity to reconnect with our passion, which had taken a backseat whilst we were chasing our ambitions and goals. I think this group came closer to each other in this period of isolation and social distancing, and everybody started to look forward to the out-of-box meetings on Wednesdays. I am incredibly grateful to all participants who have put in all the effort and so sportingly presented topics that they are passionate about. And of course, I am grateful to all the members who attended the program and made it a success. I must say a very big thank you to all my seniors who agreed to participate on this platform. I'm in friends, 2020 will never be forgotten. It has been a dramatic year, and amongst other things, we will remember it as a unique year, as it gave us an opportunity to see a totally unique side of our colleagues. Today is the last Wednesday of 2020, and I thought it was very appropriate to appreciate and cheer the effort of all. So let us celebrate that we have got a chance to live on, and let's look forward to a happier 2021. Let us cheer today and let us seize the moment. Today, we will appreciate all those who made these Wednesdays special, and we have some who have not yet had their chance, but have given a glimpse of their passion in 2-minute videos. And I am so fortunate to have Drs. Nandita and Dr. Sarita, who both agreed to present the Appreciation Awards today. I must say, even Dr. Nandita, in spite of being so busy, in the first phone call, in the first 2 minutes, she said, yes, Sangeeta, I will do this. And I'm so grateful to her. Dr. Nandita, thank you very much. And Sarita, she has always been my most reliable, dependable friend. So Sarita, thank you. So friends, sit back and relax and enjoy the evening. I request Dr. Nandita and Dr. Sarita to do the honors and present the awards. But before we start, we have a few videos, and Sarita will start from now.
Thank you, Sangeeta. Thank you very much. And we begin this grand evening with a performance by Dr. Saroj Desai, and she is going to bring us a romantic Bollywood number on her keyboard. Wonderful, madam. Thank you so much. That was so beautiful, and the chat box is full of compliments for you. We go to the next video.
Yeah, that is Dr. Sandeep Jeste. He has recited a very wonderful poem. So let's listen to him.
Hi everyone. I am going to recite a short poem of mine for you. The name of the poem is Because Courage is Beautiful. The poem is: the boat saw mishaps of many in all these years, still it dreams to sail higher in the sea, because courage is beautiful. The coach saw defeat of the team in all these years, still he dreams of winning the cups, because courage is beautiful. The women saw deceit of men in all these years, still she dreams of unconditional love, because courage is beautiful. The man saw silence of all the friends in all these years, still he believes in humanity, because courage is beautiful. I thank Dr. Sangeeta Agrawal to give me this opportunity to speak on this forum, and wish you all a very happy new year. Take care. Stay healthy. Thank you.
Thank you, Dr. Sandeep Jeste. That was really very, very nice. Our next video is by the Shamak Davar of Gynecology. Any guesses? It's the young, energetic dancer, Dr. Rohan Palshetkar, who's going to make us groove in your seats. So get set.
This one's for you. ऐसी क्या चली हवा के ले गई मेरी सांसों को मुझसे दूर तेरे पास, और मुझे हुआ ऐसा तू 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 मेरी ही मैं तेरा होने लगा, मैं तेरा तू मेरी होने लगी। बेबी मेरा माइंड तू करे ब्लो, बाकी करे शाइन, तू करे ग्लो। जीन्स डाली तूने जो वो तेरी बूटी पे टाइट, बेबी जैसे मेरा फ्लो। बेबी गॉड डैम तू है 100, बाकी एवरेज तू है सैवेज, बेबी तू है रॉ। मुझे तेरी बारी की हर वो चीज लगे सेक्स जो बाकियों को लगती है फ्लॉ। बेबी लेट्स गो राइट नाउ, देखो मुझे वेट ना इतनी कराओ। लक तेरा लीन, बातें तेरी मीन, टाइटन पे है तो क्यों खाती वाओ। और दस कितनी तारीफ चाहिए है तेनू, और दस कितनी तारीफ चाहिए है तेनू, और दस कितनी तारीफ चाहिए है तेनू, और दस कितनी तारीफ चाहिए है तेनू। पल का जीना फिर तो है जाना, तोहफा क्या लेके जाइए दिल ये बताना। खाली हाथ आए थे हम, खाली हाथ जाएंगे, बस प्यार के दो मीठे बोल झिलमिलाएंगे। तो हंस क्योंकि दुनिया को है हंसाना, है मेरे दिल तू गाए जा।
Woo, that was wonderful, Rohan. Thank you for getting the party started. So I hand over to Dr. Nandita, who's going to give the next award.
The award goes to Danny Laliwala, our historian, the one who gave us into a peak of the era gone by. Congrats, Danny. Our next awardee is Dr. Nidhi Shah, the master chef. She taught us about celebration of the most delicious food. Dr. Nidhi Shah. Congratulations. Dr. Reshma Pale, the tour leader. She is with an unquenchable thirst for travel to exotic places and has really awakened the explorer in all of us. Dr. Reshma Pale. Congrats. And the next award, Dr. Aspi Remelwala. There's only one word to say for him. Our very own Albert Einstein. What can you say about Aspi? Intelligent, super smart. I'm scared to give a talk when he's around. Aspi Remelwala. Congratulations, Aspi. You make sure that all of us are well read along with you. The girl who comes next, Bhavani Balkrishna, the quiz master. She had all our brains in an absolute tizzy. And actually, I think she made us question every aspect of our life, not only gynecology. So, Bhavani, the quiz master. Let's give it to her before she starts quizzing us as to why she got it and asked me to say 1, 2, 3, 4. Friends, now let's take a short break and listen to our melody queen, Dr. Sandhya Saharan. She sung a beautiful song which is very apt, especially in the present times.
ये बातें हैं पुरानी, कैसी पहेली कैसी पहेली जिंदगानी।
superb. That's one of my favorite songs, and I'd love to hear you sing it, Sandhya. Amazing.
Our next awardee is Dr. Sandeep Jeste, the artist who believes that you can paint your way towards a more fulfilling life. Congratulations. May I now invite the graceful Dr. Sudeshna Ray, who showed us the essence of Bengali culture, its festivals, its saris, its food, music, and dance. Dr. Sudeshna Ray. Congratulations, Sudeshna. Xenophile is a fancy word for somebody who loves their own culture. Our next awardee is the backpacker, Dr. Prema Kanya, who traveled through deserts and mountains with a backpack with her friends. Wonderful. Our next awardee is the one and only IT expert of the group, who showed a fabulous video presentation of his train journey in Norway. May I invite Dr. Ajit Virkud. Congratulations, sir. Our next awardee is Dr. Adi Dastur, the Elvis Presley of our group, who gave us a dazzling performance of songs of the 50s, 60s, and 70s. Dr. Adi Dastur. Wonderful. We now take a short break and we bring you a wonderful dance video from the very versatile and graceful Dr. Laila Dave.
मेरा नाम चिन चिन चू बाबा चिन चिन चू रात चांदनी में और तू हेलो मिस्टर हाउ डू यू डू मेरा नाम चिन चिन चू बाबा चिन चिन चू रात चांदनी में और तू हेलो मिस्टर हाउ डू यू डू बाबा बाबा होठों में ऐसी बात में दबा के चली आई खुल जाए वही बात तो दुहाई है दुहाई होठों में ऐसी बात में दबा के चली आई खुल जाए वही बात तो दुहाई ऐसी बात में दबा के चली आई, खुल जाए वही बात तो दुहाई है दुहाई। रात काली नागन सी हुई है जवां, हाय दैया किसको डसेगा ये समा, हाय दैया किसको डसेगा ये समा। तो देखूं पीछे मुड़ के तो पग में पायल तड़पे, आगे चलूं तो धड़कती है सारी अंगनाई। होठों में हाय, होठों में ऐसी बात में दबा के चली आई, खुल जाए वही बात तो दुहाई है दुहाई।
Wonderful. What a mesmerizing performance, Dr. Laila Dave. Fantastic. Just too good. Dr. Nandita.
Wow. After that energetic dance, let's get on to the next awards. This award goes to our all-time favorite, Dr. Usha Saraya, someone who's been my teacher, my mentor. And what award can we give her? But the gynecologist of the universe. In fact, I call her the Kuber of gynecology. Her passion, her dedication, her knowledge as a gynecologist, and also I think everything else in this world is an endless trove of treasure. Madam, we are so happy to award you today, the gynecologist of the universe. Congratulations, madam. It's a real honor for us. Kinjal Shah, the eternal debater, is our next awardee. She has wowed us with her super skills and her deep knowledge of different issues, and has taught us all one thing: the woman always wins. Great, Kinjal. Congratulations, Kinjal. Fantastic, Kinjal. Shilpa Agarwal, our next awardee. The elixir of youth. A girl who lives life with the carefree abandon of a child. And Shilpa, you've also taught us how to live a life like that. That is fantastic. Congratulations. The elixir of youth. Shilpa, congratulations. Dr. Pali, someone whom I've seen and always respected for so many years, receives the very apt award, the multi-pathy doctor. I mean, he's the most versatile person on this earth who bridges our, ancient heritage with modern medicine. I think it's amazing. And, we've learned so much from you. And the gift of Garbha Sanskar, which you have given to modern mothers, I think it's amazing, and it encompasses all our cultural heritage and the advances of modern medicine. Congratulations, Dr. Pali. The new year is coming, and let us get into some romantic mood. And who else but Devika to render us a very romantic song. And Punjabi, I think the Punjabi culture has given us so much. So let's hear a wonderful, beautiful, romantic song in Punjabi delivered by Devika Chopra. Devika, looking forward to listening to you.
डोरियों 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 से मैनू तू बांध ले, पक्की यारियों 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 में होंदे ना फासले, नाराजगी कागजी सारी तेरी मेरे सोहणिया सुन ले मेरी दिल दियां गल्लां करांगे नाल नाल बैठ के अख नाल अख नूं मिला के दिल दियां गल्लां करांगे रोज रोज बैठ के सच्चियां मुहब्बतां निभा के सताए मैनू क्यों दिखाए मैनू क्यों एवें झूठी मोटी उसके रुसा के दिल दियां गल्लां करांगे नाल नाल बैठ के अख नाल अख नूं मिला के लखा तो छुपा के रखा अखा ते सजा के तू मेरी वफा रख अपना बना के मैं तेरे लैया यारा ना पावे कदे दूरियां तेनू लखा तो छुपा के रखा अखा ते सजा के तू मेरी वफा रख अपना बना के मैं तेरे लैया यारा ना पावे कदे दूरियां मैं जीना तेरा मैं जीना तेरा तू जीना है मेरा दस लेना की नखरा दिखा के दिल दियां गल्लां करांगे नाल नाल बैठ के अख नाल अख नूं मिला लगे तू ना गले। मेरा आसमां मौसमां दी ना सुने, कोई ख्वाब ना पूरा बने। दिल दिया गल्लां करांगे नाल नाल बैठ के, अख नाल अख नूं मिला के। दिल दिया गल्लां करांगे रोज रोज बैठ के, सच्चियां मुहब्बतां निभा के। दिल दिया गल्लां करांगे नाल नाल बैठ के, अख नाल अख नूं मिला के, अख नाल अख नूं मिला के।
Wow, that really has put us all in a very, very romantic mode. Let me tell you a secret. I've actually fallen in love with my husband all over again these last 6 months. It's been amazing.
Hi friends. So here we are taking a break. The whole thing is going very well, and I request everybody that I know we have kept you all muted, but you know, put your hands together, show the clap on the screen for all these people who have put in so much effort to send their videos, and for everything that's going on. You know, the whole thing would not be possible without all participants. So we will be able to take very good photographs. Amit, please take photographs when you have everybody clapping in the gallery view. And please put on your videos for those few moments so that we can get good photographs. Okay, now here I'm going to present a poem. And am I audible, Amit?
Yes, yes, you are.
Okay. So I must say that I was just wondering what I'm going to recite today. I can't sing even to save my life. And whilst I was going through various poems by Gulzar and Amitabh, I had downloaded one by Amitabh. Utne mein Dr. Vinita Kamath sent me a poem. And it is wonderful. I took the first 3 lines from that poem, and then I have twisted and added my own masala to make it suitable for the gynecologist. So I hope y'all will enjoy it. And even if you don't, you're going to be punished only for 1 minute 55 seconds. So please bear with me. It goes like this. गुजरते साल में के साथ थोड़ी सी मैं भी गुजरी हूँ, बिखर के टुकड़ों सी हो गई हूँ, अब नई सी निखरी हूँ। मैंने दूरी अपने अपनों से बनाई है, ना छूने की उन्हें कसम सी खाई है। वीडियो कॉल से चलती है सांसें मेरी, अब शायद 21 में मिलने की बारी आई है। छोटे से कमरे में हंसी और आंसू दोनों बसाए हैं, वेबिनार्स में शरीक होके मैंने महीनों बिताए हैं। बर्थडे और एनिवर्सरी का पता नहीं, होली दिवाली मैंने फोन के स्क्रीन पे बिताए हैं। गुजरते साल में थोड़ी सी मैं भी गुजरी हूँ, बिखर के टुकड़ों सी हुई हूँ, अब नई सी निखरी हूँ। मैंने खर्चों पे लगाम लगाए हैं, कुछ सपनों के भी गले दबाए हैं। मेरी गंगूबाई कब आएगी, इस इंतजार में बर्तन कपड़े धो धो के सुखाए हैं। क्लिनिक का वेटिंग रूम है खाली, ऑनलाइन कंसल्टेशन है जारी। हिस्ट्रोस्कोपी और लेप्रोस्कोपी का पता नहीं, लेकिन पेशेंट की डिलीवरी नहीं है रुकने वाली। गुजरे साल के साथ थोड़ी सी मैं भी गुजरी हूँ, बिखर के टुकड़ों में हो गई हूँ, अब नई सी निखरी हूँ। इनकम टैक्स की फाइलिंग में राहत मिली है, मनी मार्केट पे आंखें टिकी हैं। सोना और चांदी का पता नहीं, मैंने स्टॉक मार्केट पर उम्मीदें लगाई हैं। कोरोना यह मुसीबत बड़ी भारी है, चेहरे पे मास्क, हाथों में सैनिटाइजर, मेरी पूरी तैयारी है। वैक्सीन तो आएगा जरूर, तब तक हौसलों की उड़ान जारी है। गुजरते साल के साथ थोड़ी सी मैं भी गुजरी हूँ, बिखर के टुकड़ों सी हुई हूँ, अब नई सी निखरी हूँ। Thank you very much. go back to Sarita, please.
Wonderful. Sangeeta, thank you so much. That was so good. That was really, really fantastic. So coming back to our awards, our next awardee is a skilled endoscopic surgeon, but he gets the award for the adventurist. He is the most adventurous person in the group who showed us the fascinating underwater world through his scuba diving. Please welcome Dr. Pranay Shah. Wonderful. Our next awardee has been my teacher, my guide, my mentor, Dr. Vandana Valvekar, and she gets the award for the ageless doctor. Her nostalgic journey through the passages of Wadia Hospital entertained all of us that evening. Dr. Vandana Valvekar. Congratulations, madam. We have with us the Sare Gama champion, who's also a financial wizard. And he taught us the tips and tricks of multiplying your money. The next awardee is Dr. Bipin Pandit, the money maker. Dr. Neena Patwardhan, the folklorist. She is a gynecologist with a deep understanding of Indian mythology, and she showed us all how we have Ram and Ravan within us. Congratulations, Dr. Neena Patwardhan. And now, friends, we take a short break and we welcome Dr. Bipin Pandit, who's going to sing for us with his melodious voice. Welcome, Dr. Bipin Pandit.
जो सपनों में आया, कौन है जो दिल में समाया, लो झुक गया आसमां भी, इश्क मेरा रंग लाया। कौन है जो सपनों में आया, कौन है जो दिल में समाया, लो झुक गया आसमां भी, इश्क मेरा रंग लाया। ओ प्रिया ओ प्रिया जो सपनों में आया, कौन है जो दिल में समाया, लो झुक गया आसमां भी, इश्क मेरा रंग लाया। ओ पिया ओ प्रिया सज गई आज सारी दिशाएं, खुल गई आज जन्नत की राहें, सज गई आज सारी दिशाएं, खुल गई आज जन्नत की राहें। हुस्न जब से मेरा हो गया है, मुझ पे पड़ती है सबकी निगाहें, मुझ पे पड़ती है सबकी निगाहें। कौन है जो सपनों में आया, कौन है जो दिल में समाया, लो झुक गया आसमां भी, इश्क मेरा रंग लाया। ओ प्रिया ओ प्रिया जिस्म को मौत आती है लेकिन रूह को मौत आती नहीं है, जिस्म को मौत आती है लेकिन रूह को मौत आती नहीं है। इश्क रोशन है रोशन रहेगा, रोशनी इसकी जाती नहीं है, रोशनी इसकी जाती नहीं है। कौन है जो सपनों में आया, कौन है जो दिल में समाया, लो झुक गया आसमां भी, इश्क मेरा रंग लाया। ओ प्रिया ओ प्रिया ओ प्रिया
That was so beautiful. What an amazing voice. Thank you so much, Dr. Vipin Pandit. And let's go back now to our awards.
Thank you, Sarita. Our next award is given to none other than our evergreen Sandhya Saharan, the music maestro. Her music has touched our souls. Friends, they say music is the food for the souls, and she has given us immense pleasure all these years. Sandhya Saharan. Sandhya, you're such a live wire. Thank you for being there in our lives. Bhumika Kotecha, the Gen Next, fantastic description. I think, Bhumika, you have shown that this Gen Next has all the culture, all the manners, and have taken everything from their past heritage, from the older generation. And of course, are absolutely techno-savvy, like you should be, and futuristic. So congratulations. I think you aptly deserve the award, Gen Next. Congrats, Bhumika. Congrats once again. Our next award. I think the description is fabulous. The Don Bradman of gynecology, Dr. Shirish Sheth. I mean, what can you say? Don Bradman describes it all. A person who has set a benchmark so high that no one can come near it. Sir, we are great fans of yours and congratulations. And it's a great honor and pleasure to be able to give this award to you. Dr. Shirish Sheth. So Don Bradman ji, thank you. The showstoppers, Vinita and Shashikant Kamath. This lady and gentleman who absolutely stunned us by their program. I think their talent is infinite and they never cease to amaze us. I have seen them both over so many years and their versatility, I have no words to describe it. And the program which you did was amazing. Indeed, I think the award is apt. The Showstoppers, Dr. Vinita and Shashikant Kamath. Congratulations. So we're giving you this award and Howard, like your English. Congratulations.
Wonderful.
The
wonderful.
last video in this program comes from none other than our very own Elvis Presley of gynecology, Dr. Adi Dastur. Dr. Dastur, you actually take all of us back to our college days and the fun that we had. And I think the songs are so evergreen. And when you render them, I think I remember you more than the original singers. So you give us so much joy, sir. And it's always been a pleasure to listen to you. So friends, our very own Elvis Presley, Dr. Adi Dastur, is going to sing a lovely song for us.
You know, this song was the last song, but then I felt that I've sung so many songs today evening, and I've sung them as I would sing them to my children, and you to your children, which my mother would sing to me and us when we were young. So, to end the evening, here's an old song sung originally in the movie Man Who Knew Too Much by a lady called Doris Day and goes by the title Que Sera Sera. What will be, will be. When we were young, we used to go to Navjots and weddings in the Parsi situations. And there would always be a live band of Goody Siroi, or there would be a band of Nelly, or there would be a band of Maurice Concesio, who would sing live at every Navjot or wedding before the dinner was served. And we little children would go to the band, pull up chairs, sit down, and hear all these old bands sing all these beautiful ancient songs. And one of these songs was Ke Sara Sara. Of course, I can't do it very much like Doris Day, but I'll try and do it for you in my voice. And instead of a little girl, I'll say a little boy, because I was a little boy when I was young. So here goes. When I was just a little boy, I asked my mother, what will I be? Will I be handsome? Will I be rich? Here's what she said to me. Que sera, sera. Whatever will be, will be. The future's not ours to see. Que sera, sera. What will be, will be. When I grew up and fell in love, I asked my sweetheart, what lies ahead? Will there be rainbows day after day? Here's what my sweetheart said. Que sera, sera. Whatever will be, will be. The future's not ours to see. Que sera, sera. What will be, will be. Now I have children of my own. They ask their father, what will they be? Will they be handsome? Will they be rich? I tell them tenderly, que sera, sera. Whatever will be, will be. The future's not ours to see. Que sera, sera. What will be, will be. Que sera, sera. Dum, dum. So folks, that's the ultimate end. Thank you for a quiet hearing. I hope you liked the session.
That was so good, sir. Fantastic. Really, really enjoyed. And I have a very, very pleasant announcement to make. Please welcome Dr. Abhay Dalvi, who has recently been installed as President of the Association of Surgeons of India. The organization has more than 25,000 members, and he's the 12th person from KEM to hold this prestigious post. Is he here? Dr. Abhay Dalvi, heartiest congratulations. Wonderful.
Is he there, Dr.
Yes,
Dalvi?
he's here. Yes, sir. Congratulations. Would you like to say something, sir?
Oh, it's very good evening. Very, very good evening to all of you all. And as a president, it is very enlightening that gynecology is teaching me things what to do in the next year, for sure. And I will take your help to introduce such programs in ASI. Otherwise, ASI is just academics and nothing else. I congratulate all the winners out here, and really nice to see some good singing that is going on. And thank you so much to have me on your program, and you'll carry on with your program with your blessings. Obviously, my wife Sujata, who is also involved in all gynecological activities. I will see that ASI also improves the way gynecology has changed that version in this. Sangeeta, you have done a wonderful job by hosting this. And Sarita and Nandita, both of y'all, I know them y'all quite well. So congratulations. All my seniors, Dr. Shirish Sheth and Dr. Adi Dastur, though he's not taught me, I was there because Madam was there. And Dr. Walivekar I have met before, so not an issue at all. So thank you so much for actually taking my name in this Gynec conference. I'll share a small thing with you. Had I not met Sujata, I would have been on this platform as a gynecologist. That's what my first choice. And I can actually, you know, talk about all definitions in gynecology, starting with normal delivery, right up to episiotomy and others. Let me tell you, I have to thank Dr. Shashikant Kamath and others who were in that unit and having taught me gynecology. Fortunately, I met Sujata, went to surgery. Thank you so much. And from the Association of Surgeons of India as the president, all the best to gynecology.
Thank you, sir. Thank you so much. Before we begin the
one more announcement. Sarita.
Okay.
Mr. Soli, who's the husband of Dr. Bhaktawar, he's celebrating his birthday today.
Congratulations. Wonderful. Congratulations. Many happy returns, Soli. So before we go to the audience interaction, yes, Sangeeta, should I propose the vote of thanks?
Yes, go ahead.
Okay. Friends, this has been a life-changing year. A year where our physical contact was curbed, but we all came together on this digital platform. A year where many of us discovered ourselves and found new hobbies. I must start by thanking Dr. Sangeeta Agarwal, who has conceived and nurtured this out-of-the-box program. I know how she has worked tirelessly and succeeded in bringing us together every Wednesday evening for an enriching experience. And I really feel she deserves an award for innovation and integration. So let's put our hands together and say congratulations and thank you to Dr. Sangeeta Agarwal for this fantastic idea and program. My thanks to Dr. Amit Borse, Master Coordinator and Technical Expert. Fantastic. Thank you, Mr. Rajiv Agarwal of MCure for his support. Mr. Narasimha, the video expert for the phenomenal videos. All the presenters who made these fabulous presentations. And last but not least, each of the participants who made it a point to log on every Wednesday evening. And I, for one, don't want to go back to my clinic on Wednesday evening at 5:30. Do you? I don't think so. Over to audience interaction.
Yeah, whilst Amit will now unmute all, I would like to say just 2 lines that during these awards, we just tried to give some titles to all of the participants, keeping in mind the theme of their talk, which was relevant to their passion. पर अगर कहीं कुछ हमारी भूल चूक हो गई हो तो हमें प्लीज माफ कर देना and we will try to do better next time. I do hope that you have enjoyed and thank you so much. And of course, thank you very much, not only in participation, but in cooperating with dress code and all that. I see so many wonderful glitzy bitsy dresses today. Sudeshna, Prema, whatever I can see on the screen. Thank you so much. I know it is a big effort to dress up for when you know that only till the neck things will be seen, but yet we put in effort. I think, thank you so much for everything. Now over to, okay, one more announcement. Even Dr. Laila Dave is celebrating her birthday today. So very, very happy birthday to you, Dr. Laila Dave. And I'm sure December month, there are many, many weddings. So all those who are celebrating their wedding anniversaries, please feel free to interact now. Amit, will you please unmute everybody?
Yes, ma'am. Ma'am, in the process you are muted. Everybody can now unmute and like every time we can all chat.
Sangeeta, beautiful program. Absolutely thrilled. And looking forward to the new year.
Yes, we have a lot of programs lined up right up to February. So I hope we all continue enjoying them.
Adi, you are lovely.
Sangeeta, you've shown everybody what a heart you have and what passion you have. And you've taken this program to really good heights. So I think before we go, we should say 3 cheers to Sangeeta. Hip hip.
Hooray.
Hip hip.
Hooray.
Hip hip.
Hooray.
Now shake your hip, Sangeeta. Shake your hip.
Sangeeta, I would like to tell you thanks a lot for wishing my husband a happy birthday. Thank you very, very much.
Geeta.
I didn't.
Sangeeta,
Yes, sir.
can I?
Yes.
Sangeeta, you have really given something to the gynec world, something to emulate and something to set up for every year. Indeed, in a way, it is innovative and it should inspire incoming people to have such a program and bring so many things into picture. I won't say more, but God must bless you bit extra so that you can give it to this world and we can be proud of it. Congratulations.
Thank you, sir, so much. Anything, all these words of praise coming from you are like a blessing, and this is God blessing me. Thank you so much.
Sangeeta, the one thing which has come out of this out of the box program.
Fathers also are enjoying it thoroughly, both of them. Laila, you are superb.
And Laila, happy birthday to you.
And happy birthday. Happy birthday. Happy birthday to Dr. Laila.
Dr. Laila. I think the great outcome of this particular program is the creativity of the Sangeeta madam has come out, you know, absolutely classic and fantastic.
Thank you, sir.
Sarita
So,
madam.
I think we are, you know, we will have to go one by one again now because otherwise we are not able to hear. So I think Dr. Sandhya wants to say something. So please go ahead. Then Dr. Aspi.
Sangeeta, I want to say one thing, that we both are contemporaries and we gave our MD together and we would study together sometimes when we were exam going. So she would say, "Mera to kuch nahi hone wala, Sandy." So I want to tell you that you're proved wrong. Tumhara bahut kuch ho gaya hai, and not only for yourself, but you've done so much for everybody else also. Hats off to you, and I'm proud to be your classmate and your friend.
Thank you, Sandy.
Right.
I think one magic thing which has come out of this particular box is the creativity of Sangeeta, you know. It's an absolute classic idea. I don't know, God alone knows from where she got this idea.
Out of the box.
It's such a tremendous idea and a successful idea. And Sarita and Nandita, your lots and lots of your blood and sweat has gone into this program. And congratulations.
Hello.
I think Dr. Neeta Patwardhan next. She wants to say something.
What a amazing concept, and you know the execution by all the speakers. Your conceptualized by everyone, the attendees. It was a great effort, and I want to thank you for giving me opportunity as a speaker. And it was a wonderful evening today, and I wish everyone happy 2021.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Now I think Dr. Bipin Pandit, then Dr. Saroj Desai.
Sangeeta, congratulations. It's a really out of the box idea. It's a fantastic. And you have brought people again together in this difficult time, and wish you all the great in the next year, and Happy New Year to all of you. Thank you.
Thank you.
Now, who wanted to speak? Dr. Ajit Virkur. Okay, now before anybody speaks, now no saying thank you to me. Okay, otherwise it will look like ये evening मैंने अपने आप को ही dedicate करवा लिया. So Abhi, don't thank me, don't praise me. Okay, I have everybody's blessings. Be with me, and that's more than enough. Now, Dr. Virkur, anything but Sangeeta you can.
Yeah. Actually, I was not going to say anything about you and the program. Everybody's. So in fact, what I want to say is on the behalf of everyone, we had a lovely time. But I think it's in everybody's mind that we are now all dying to meet in person, really. And I think time has come that maybe in February or something, we should have a meeting in person. I really wish to see you, and I never thought that I would miss you all so much. And I do. I really made it. And there's one more thing I want to say is that when we have a in-person meeting and all that, I would like to take a lecture, which is what I call, I already have it, which is called as out of the box OBGYN. It's a lecture on OBGYN, but it is absolutely out of the box. I'm not going to talk anything about what you have learned in your this thing. And I would love to take the lecture, and that's what I wanted to say. Okay, and Happy New Year to all of you. Thank you.
So actually, a lot of people have been giving this request that we should meet in the hall now. But the whole problem is that if we meet in the hall, we need money. And that money, when you need money, then you have to speak only vitamin D and vitamin C. And uske baad kuch bacha hai to iron. You will, only those people are giving money. Now, you know, if we go back to the hall, you have to talk vitamin D, but I have got vitamin D intoxication. I cannot talk about vitamin D anymore, and I cannot listen to vitamin D anymore. So to do all this entertainment, ye free ke kaam mein hi chalana padega.
We'll manage that.
Yeah, we'll work out something.
We'll manage that.
We'll
Don't
manage
worry.
something or the other.
We'll work out something. Don't worry.
Now we'll call it in the box meeting.
Yeah, you know, when I ring Dr. Rajiv and I tell him, you do a musical program for us and let us have it in the hall, and you just sponsor the whatever, I will collect
orchestra.
Yeah, orchestra and food, etc. You know, his phone will disconnect and they will say, oh, I was out of coverage area. So, yeah.
No, hey, once the government allows it, I think we'll have it very soon. Don't worry. We'll
I think Sangeeta, Sangeeta, may I say something?
Yes, madam, please go ahead.
Yeah, I think I will have some options when the opportunity does arise. So let's talk about it then.
Yeah, sure. Sure.
Vandana will sponsor. Don't worry.
Oh, anytime.
No, she has already agreed to have one big wine, cocktail and dinner party on her terrace.
Yeah.
Okay. I hope, madam, you haven't forgotten.
Oh, really? I said so?
We won't let her forget that.
Oh, Vandana, you're not in out of coverage area. You are in coverage. Don't worry.
Okay. I can't see who now was ready to speak.
I think Dr. Tibrewala wanted to say.
Yeah, because you have to see on the screen. Na? I can't see. Dr. Tibrewala, if you're there and you want to speak, please go ahead.
I just wanted to say it was a great talent parade. I mean, not only enjoyable, but it was a variety show, a variety entertainment program.
Yeah.
And I think the awards which were awarded were absolutely, hey, Dr. Shirishit, Don Bradman is looking straight at us. Huh? The awards were given very appropriately. The titles which were, you all really put your heads together to give the titles for each award. So congratulations on that.
Gita, this is again a second largest attendee after Professor Shirish Sheth's program. Huh? So this is number 2 now. This has become.
Thank you.
And सरका तो program Don Bradman जैसा है, वो कभी भी record break नहीं होने वाला है. 99.94 average of test of a Don Bradman and Shirish Sheth sir का number 1 पे अभी भी है. Sir, well done, huh? And Nandita and Sarita, very good for taking the second spot. I'm going back and back.
Right. Dr. Saroj Desai wants to say something. I think she had raised her hand. You have to unmute yourself, madam. Dr. Desai, please unmute yourself. We can't hear you.
It was an excellent program, excellent. I thoroughly enjoyed. And thanks, you made me participate for the program. Thank you very much.
Dr. Shilpa?
I just want to say that thank you very much. I actually felt I was going and receiving the award on stage. I had that feeling. So thank you very much for that. And one thing I want to mention is that I think in this out of the box, I had known many more people. Physically, I never used to, meet or talk to them. But now I think I know more of our colleagues than it was physically. So thank you so much for this. Thank you.
I think we've also shown all the other specialists like Dr. Abhay and others that gynacs do have a little extra fun. And gynacs are still slightly more talented. And some of them also have good talent. So I think we have a good thing. Abhay, I'm sure you brought up that point very well. And we appreciate that. So all of us, let's keep our minds together and our heads together and carry on in the same spirit year after year. And let's maintain the slightly above edge level of the gynecologist. I think it's a good idea.
Yeah, Dr. Abhay Dalvi, he wants to speak.
In response to Dr. Dastur, who has been my teacher, sir, surgeons are very calculated people, and that's why I married Sujata.
Wow. That's why you married her.
Always have a wife who's a gynecologist as a surgeon, because you all are always edge above, whether it is wife or a gynecologist.
Or the ureter.
Sujata, please remember these words for many, many years to come. Huh?
I know. I'm listening.
It won't come again very soon.
That's right. But you people are all witness to his statement. Anyway, I must thank Sangeeta for an excellent program. Though she said no thanks to her, but you continue with doing this, I must tell you that.
Thank you everyone for a lovely evening. All the performers and Sangeeta, mainly you.
No, you're not allowed to thank
all of you. Yeah, but we continue to say that, whether you like it or not.
And you're looking gorgeous, huh? I wish I could see you in real. With your dark.
You have written blingy and this and that, and you have to do at least this much.
You are looking a glam doll, I must say, Dr. Prarthana.
Thank you.
Sangeeta, see my tie.
Yeah, we all saw it.
Wow.
You like my Elvis?
Very much, very much.
I got this from Graceland, his home.
You should have stood up and sang, then the tie would have been good.
But today I didn't sing. So that's why.
Yeah. Sorry, yes.
The most glitzy tie I've got is this. And I saved it up for you, Sangeeta.
Thank you.
Not at all.
Ratna, you're looking good.
Thank you. For Vandana, you always look good, my dear.
Thank you.
You look
You
good.
don't need a tie.
Okay, friends, now the next Wednesday, we have none other than Nandita herself as the speaker.
Okay,
fantastic.
Good. Yeah, so she's going to speak. Today, she has a network issue, so she couldn't join into the program. But she's in and out of the program. But on next Wednesday, hopefully she will have no network issues because she'll be back in Bombay. So I think we can close by saying a very, very happy new 2021 to everybody.
Yay. Thank you very much to be there.
Happy New Year.
Thank you, one and all. Have a wonderful, wonderful 2021.
God bless all.
God bless us all.
Thank you.
Stay safe.
Happy New Year and
stay safe and stay well.
Happy New Year to all of you.
Thank you. Same to all of you.
To all those.
Great, man.
Have a great 2021.
Excellent, Don Bradman.
1 plus on 2020.
So how was the match yesterday which we won?
When you say 2020, I always think of 2020 cricket.
That's what I'm asking. How was the match yesterday which we won in Australia?
It was a good one. It was really enjoyable. I saw it till the last ball.
Brilliant. No, very brilliant. Excellent.
Absolutely.
Next, that will be an ideal.
Worth seeing again.
Goodbye.
Sangeeta, keep it up.
Bye.
Thank you, everybody. Happy New Year.
All good things have to end.
God's blessings to us. All the best.
Wish you a happy new year to everyone.
Thank you.
Happy New Year to everybody. Good health and good cheer.
Yep.
All the best.
Wish you very happy.
All the best. All the best.
All the best. God bless us. God bless. Bye, everybody.
Bye. There is no Jana Gana Mana.
No, at the starting of the meeting. That's the only way to make up Rotarians.
I know.
Great.
Bye.
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 Bye, Sangeeta.
Bye.
Please wish Sillu Madam on my behalf very happy New Year.
Happy New Year to all.
Happy New Year to all. God's blessings.
Happy New Year to all of you.
All the best.
2021.
We can hear you, madam, but we can't see you. So happy New Year to you. Take care.
Yes, I am there.
Yes, how are you? And
I'm
wish
fine.
you all the best. It was a wonderful program.
Now
I
she is there.
enjoyed it thoroughly.
Thank
Lovely.
you.
Bye. Good. So all good things have to end. Lovely.
Yes.
Now it's dinner time.
Take out the champagne, Sangeeta.
Soon.
कोई दिवस
Chalo.
ना.
Okay. Bye. Amit,
Bye
you
bye.
can do anything.
Happy New Year. God bless you. All the best.
Happy New Year to everyone.
Same. All the best. All the
Taru
best.
ma'am, you will have to unmute yourself to speak. Dr. Tarusha ma'am. I'm sending you a request. Oh, done.
Okay.
Okay, now we can hear you.
Hi, Jyoti. How are you? Didn't
Bye,
see you.
everybody. All the best for 2021, everybody.
All the best.
It was nice listening to your song as usual.
Amit.
Yes,
Yeah,
sir.
everybody.
Thanks for everything.
Thank you to you, sir.
And have a wonderful year next year.
Thank you, sir. Same to you.
May you have the entire alphabet with vitamins.
Thank you, sir.
All the best.
Yeah.
Amit, thank you very much.
एंड में आई मैं तो चारों मैडम अनम्यूट करो किया मैंने
Narsimha, thank you very much. Finally, everything went very well.
Jyoti Taskar, how are you?
मेरे को ना थोड़ा
ज्योति?
कोई होए ना ऐसे साथ में सोनम होती ना तो मैं भी कुछ भी अच्छा डांस करती थी कुछ भी करती थी मैंने ये सब वीडियो भेजे हैं उन लोगों ने ऐसा तो मैं भी अच्छा बना के भेज सकती थी ना मेरे को भी तो आता है पर तो वो मेरी और
Amit, you can end the meeting.
देती थी गाना तो चालू है हाँ